Alright peeps, well, up to the Supra again, guys. You know how it is. Just smashing it out. We've got to get it done, got to get ready for paint. So I have the windows getting taken out tomorrow. So front windscreen, rear hatch windscreen, window anyway as well. That's all getting done. So I do need to take off bonnet, get the bonnet ready, put the bonnet on some stands. I've got a heap of stands here now. And also the top cow panel, the 2 windscreen wipers. Just get all that done as well, get that all ready and off. And yeah, let's just keep powering through. Almost up to the welding and grinding a little bit, bits and pieces under the bonnet and all that stuff. Very, very soon. Let's just get that up first and yeah, let's do it.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand.
Alright peeps, well we got all the rest of all that stuff off. Yeah, a few things now that we're up to. First I'll start off with windows are out. We just got the windows removed today, so thanks very much to Instant Windscreen. Unfortunately, the windscreen did break coming out. The rear hatch glass is fine, but that's fine, I'll get a new one. I knew there was a possibility that something go wrong, but yeah, had a couple little chips in it anyway, and it's better off just to start with a nice fresh one, you know what I mean? So that's fine, we'll get that sorted out when we put it back in. They already know about it, that's all good. But yeah, they've done their job and that's all fine, I'm fine with it. So anyway, yeah, windows are out. The rust in the back is a little bit on the inside as well, so we do have to address that, clean it up ASAP. So I'm lucky I took it off. Really happy that I've got the hatch off and also the glass out, because it's yeah, I'll show you in a second. And yeah, it is starting to go on the inside edge there a lot, so we've got to address that. And yeah, let's get the rest of that done and let's smash it out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to chop off a few of these brackets that we don't need, guys, and also a couple of bolts and whatnot, and also weld up all the bolt holes, and yeah, we'll clean them up first actually. So we'll just grind all the paint, and that's, we've got this little edge grinder. The surface rust on the back hatch, so it's good that got this off, and that will be all sprayed as well, so that's going to be wicked. And we'll address that tiny little bit here, if you guys can see that. We're going to address that, clean that up. Biggest part though, guys, is the bits on the actual hatch itself. So we've got a bit of surface rust. All right, it's not bad, like it's not eating up inside yet, which is good, it's not crumbling. It is just there. We do actually have a hole here, if you can see that. All right, so yeah, we just got to address them. I knew these were here, so this is why I did get this taken out. This one here was the bubbly one, but that's actually pretty flat now, so if we can clean these up, and we should be all right. So we're going to weld up these holes as well, guys, because this is a we're not having the spoiler back on, and we can address that, get that up right. And that's about it really. They're the only other holes that I need to address, as I said, apart from the ones in the engine bay. So get these ones up welded. As I said, it is going to be looking really, really nice, but it will not be a 100% show car, of course. I just don't want to take the engine out. They just turn into too much of a headache, and I love just keep it a roller, and let's work with it and keep it like a Supra for now, you know. So let's go, let's smash it up.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation.
They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god. They call me a god.
I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop.
Alright peeps, well that's what we're going to get up on from the Supra today. Now what we're going to have next is we've got to clear a few cars out or car covers on them, and we're going to get right into the sanding. At the moment I'm not going to do the full-on sanding right now. I need to do the whole car, prime it and all that stuff. I've got too much nice cars in here to do that, and I think they yeah, that's not going to happen. So I'm just going to wait till the weekend. at the moment, I'm just gonna pop a little bit of bog here and there. I'll sand the engine bay. I can quickly sand the engine bay, that's no worries. As you can see, guys, all the little tiny bits and pieces are all filled up, all right. The couple of holes that we've left because we do need them. But I'm really happy. Look, as I said, I could have gone crazy. Like, they've got weird ones like this, but I'm not going to worry about the ones next to those. Yeah, there's just a few things that I don't, you know, I think that we should just leave them alone. Yeah, I think it's going to look really nice, as is. A couple on the actual frame rail there filled up as well, and whatnot. Everything else has come out really nice. Really happy. I have actually come up with a idea. This is after we get the whole car back from paint. Is I'm probably going to take off the head, place head gasket just to make sure, and just some ARP head studs, just to 100% be sure. And just so then, yeah, I know it can take the boost, that's all. So that's what they do recommend. Apparently everything else on the GE is exactly the same. Yeah, really looking forward to, yeah, doing that. As I did say, I do have to drill out a hole in the sump as well. That's for the oil drain, but I can do that later on. I still actually have got to drain the oil out of the engine as well, so has still got fluid in that. Alright, so yeah, I'll show you the hatch as well. So hatch is looking pretty sweet. Now, what I've come and concluded is they actually filled up the wiper hole. I was actually thinking about, exactly Sam was like, what the hell is it? But they actually filled it up, and that there, as you can see, that's a clean hole. That was just fiberglass. You can see they've done the wide body and whatnot. They just got a bit happy with the fiberglass, that's all. Everything got filled with fiberglass. There was another hole on this side here, this center one here, that was just filled with bog, literally just popped out. All right, so big no-no. I have actually the Toyota badge, I've actually welded up those holes as well. I know for a fact that if I don't, then I'll, yeah, I don't think I want to put the Toyota badge back on. Obviously got rid of the Supra, you can hear dog in the background. Yeah, I just need to fill up the rest of these, a little bit of bog here and there and whatnot, and everything is actually come up really nice. So the car's good. This is all ready to be sanded, guys. I need body work on it now. All right, exactly same for the hatch as well, and or a bit of bog here and there. Sand, you know, as I said, engine bay. I could probably do the engine bay, sand engine bay and whatnot, and just apply a little bit of bog here and there just to smooth off the little bits there. But yeah, apart from that, guys, everything's looking really nice. I'm real happy with it. Yeah, everything's, yeah, all full go ahead on this thing. As I did say, the windows did come out, and unfortunately, yeah, this front one had been smashed. But as I did say, that I was aware that these things can happen, so I'm not really too worried. But I do have the rear hatch window that is fine. Yeah, we're all still full steam ahead. So I'm going to clean it on that one. Look, guys, I do have a lot of things happening as well at the moment. As you can see, we do have the Porsche back in. I'm not going to fill you up on anything right now. At the moment, it is the Supra for a bit. Maybe next weekend, we have the owner coming down, and I will go through it with you guys, with him, exactly what's to go on this thing and why it's back. As I did say, that's got the fuel tech on it now. It is turbocharged. It's a Porsche Cayman, so and it's an S as well. But as I did say, that I'm on the Supra at the moment. I'm getting that. I don't want to get these nice cars, you know, hence the Civic as well. I don't want to get them all dirty. Yeah, there's no point of yeah, doing that. So I'm either going to put some car covers on these things, or I'll wait till the weekend. I can just push them out the front for a little bit, and I can get stuck into the Supra. I can turn the booth on because it will suck all the dust away in there as well. So I think I'll do that. But at the moment, I'm really happy. Let me know how you guys think of the Supra. Really happy how everything's going. I don't want to focus on the engine too much as it is. As I did say, the only reason why I did the wire type, the only reason why is because of you know, paint. So I need to weld up the holes and I need to paint. And to do, if I wanted to do that, I would have had to just pull out all the wiring, and yeah, I would have been doing things twice, you know, so there's no point. But really happy with how everything's looking. Yeah, things are progressing, so which is awesome. So you can see the thing looking pretty good. But yeah, definitely happy with it. Definitely happy with everything else. And yeah, we're just gonna full steam ahead it, guys. All right, so thanks very much. I'll end the video now. Thanks very much for watching. And yeah, let me know. Quick little update as well. The go-kart frame has been started. So that's a massive thing. The Hayabusa, that's our new thing. This one's gonna have a junior dragster Mickey Thompson's on the rear. So this thing's gonna be a roll racer, and it's gonna be nuts. So gonna go for that big horsepower, all the good stuff on it, of course. But just thought I'd just give you a quick little update there. And yeah, Supra first though, we've got to get this thing done. We've got to get it painted, bring it back, and yeah, get this thing running. So really excited. So on that note, guys, thanks very much. Yeah, let me know what else you guys want, and I'll yeah, see you guys in the next episode. See you, peeps.